In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create hover effects using Velo and Wix. We shall commence by navigating to Dev mode. You can find it at the top bar of your Wix editor. Here, you will need to select the option that says Turn on Developer Mode. This is your first step to creating an engaging hover effect for your online project. Once the developer mode is initiated, it's time to decide which element of your web page you want to animate. It could be anything from a button to an image. The choice lies in your creative perspective. Now, you will need to click on the properties of the selected element to reveal its ID. This ID is what we will be working with in the upcoming steps. Hence, ensure you have it noted. Now, let's tackle the Properties and Settings panel. Here, you are required to rename your selected element's ID to something more descriptive. This is a crucial step as it aids in the process of future code identification and edits. A sensible example could be renaming it to a simple #mybutton. However, ensure that your renamed ID aligns with the function of the chosen element. Now that we have our renamed ID, it's time to delve into the realm of Velo code. The door to this realm lies in the Code Files panel, which is located on the left side of the editor. Let's go ahead and open that. With the Code Files panel open, proceed to select the W tab. This will lead you to the Code panel, where you will be inputting the specific code that will bring your hover effect to life. Finally, the last step requires you to add a specific line of code to your page's code file. Remember to replace #mybutton in this line of code with your renamed ID we created earlier, and adjust the styles as per your preference and project requirements. By going through these steps, you have successfully added a hover effect using Velo in Wix. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to repeat these steps until you are comfortable and the process feels more instinctive. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more educational tutorials, and I would be more than happy to aid you in your digital journey.